In this video, I will discuss about a new TRS mining site. In this site, you can earn lots of TRS by the cloud mining. So guys, first of all, click on description. Then after you will see we're selling now, cleaning, and you will see this time interface. In this page, you can sign up your account. So first of all, enter your mobile number, country code, then enter email, then enter password, then enter security password, then enter my invite code, then enter visiting code. Then you click on the register now. Okay. So guys, now click on the register. Okay. After sign up, you will see this time interface. In this page, you can see the latest announcement of the website. So you can see you will get 8,000 TS the signing bonus. So in the minimum deposit is 10 TS and minimum withdrawal is 5 TS. Official link also you can see here. So you can see there is three types of the link. First is the mining investment, second is the cycle investment, third is the investment reward. Okay, so in the mining investment, the after recharging successfully, choose to join the mining and enter the investment amount. Earning will be issued at 12 noon every day, the Singapore time, and you need to enter the earning page to collect the income manually. It will be this affair if you don't collect money within 24 hours. Okay, so in the VIP 2, if you invest 10 TS to 1000 TS, daily withdrawal is 5%. Okay, and in the third VIP, if you invest 1000 TS to 5000 TS, daily withdrawal is 7%. And in the VIP 4, the investment amount is 5000 TS to 20,000 TS, daily withdrawal is 10%. You can see there is all the details about the VIP details here. Okay, so in this side, if you invest high amount, you can get high profit. Okay, and in the cycle investment finance project, no need to click to receive income every day. The end of the cycle, the principal plus income will be automatically settled. You need to click to receive. In the investment rewards, in the first level you will get 13% commission, and in the second level you will get 1% commission and 2% commission, and in the third level you will get 1% commission. So now below, then you can see many options like recharge withdraws app team, many options you can see here. Okay, now I will tell you how to get recharge. Now click on the recharge. Then you can see there is a many methods for recharge. Okay, so you can see TRS, ETS, many methods for recharge. Now click the TRS. Then you can see there is your address. So guys, now copy this address, then open your wallet. Now paste your wallet here, then click the next button. So guys, you can recharge according to budget. After transfer money, click the recharge complete, then your amount will be added in the website. Okay, now I will tell you how to get invest in mining. Now click the trading. So guys, in the trading section, you can see there is all the plans detail. Okay, so you can see after 20 for the recharge, then click on the get, and you can see this time you can get income. So now I will tell you how to invest. Now click on the here. Then guys, now enter amount, then enter security password. As you can see, I am just investing to 2300 TRX. Now enter amount, then enter password, then click the confirmation skin. My investment is successfully completed in the minings. Okay, so now I will tell you how to can earn commission in the investment cycle. Now click here. So guys, you can see there is many cycles. Okay, so in the first cycle, the daily interest rate is 3%, and in the cycle 2, the daily interest rate is 4%, and in the third cycle the daily interest rate is 5.7%, and in the fourth cycle the daily interest rate is 15.6%, and in the fifth cycle the daily interest rate is 26%. So guys, in this side, if you invest in the large amount, you can get high commissions. Okay, now I will tell you how to invest in the cycle. Now click on the here. So you can see in the first cycle, start amount is 10 TRS. Cycle for the 3 days, daily interest rate is 3%. Okay, and now come back on the here, then click the here. So you can see in the second cycle, the start amount is 500 TRX. The cycle for the 7 days, daily interest rate is 4.1%. Okay, and in the third cycle, the daily interest rate is 5.7%, and start amount is 3000 TRX. Cycle for the 15 days, and daily interest rate is 5.7%. Okay, so guys, in this side, if you invest high amount, you get a high commission. Now I will tell you how to invest. Now click on the here. So guys, I am just investing 2300 TRX. Now enter amount, then enter security password. You can see on the screen I filled my all details, and I am just investing 2300 TRX. Okay, now click on the confirmation screen. My investment is successfully completed. Okay, and after investment cycles you can check out in the financial record your all the investment cycles. Okay, so you can see my investment is successfully completed, and in the financial record you can see there is all the investment cycles. Okay, now I will tell you how to can invite. Now can say guys, if you invite or referring the friend you can get commission. So guys, now copy your link and invest on the Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp. Okay, now click on the here the team. So in the team, so you can see there is all the details of the team like account number, finance, TR, join date, all the details you can see here. So guys, in the referral system, in the first level, so in the first level you will get 13% commission, and in the second level you will get 2% commission, and in the third level you will get 1% commissions. Okay, and you can see our details of team. Now I will tell you how to get withdrawal. Now come back on the here, then click the withdrawal. So in the withdrawal section you can see there are the amounts. Okay, so guys, now enter amount, then enter for address, then enter your security password. Guys, after 50 days you can withdraw easily. Okay, so guys, I completed. I explain you about the business. So guys, if on the side you can sign up your account with the link, and you can earn lots of tiers in this side. Okay, so you'll find the link in the description. Go and check it out.